How does this course look like? What does it do? Who are we? That's fine. My name is Maggie. I'm one of the educators for this glass skin course. This is obsessive because we've got signature dewy treatments, professional ones. We actually have done two professional videos of how we actually do dewy glass skin for professional use. Then you've got 3 other protocols that we've typed out for you to actually have. So altogether it will be 5 protocols that you have. So there'll be 3 professional protocols that you could be using, and then 2 at-home skincare. And I used glass skin products that help my skin stay young. We're both in our 40s and we are obsessed with skincare. Okay, so let's go through the course. So we've designed 5 protocols overall. I just want to get that straight because I know it can be confusing. And 2 at-home skincare and 3 for professional treatments. So this is how our course looks like. Okay, there's a reading version, and then we always do a PowerPoint version, a video live class version, and that's at least 81 minutes. And this is our other educator. She's amazing, Nisa, and she's full of information with ingredients, education, with products and why things work. And basically what we've gone through in this course is selecting the right techniques for professional use and selecting the right ingredients to understand why certain products help achieve that perfect dewy glass skin look. We even discuss what to do if the dewy effect isn't quite there, and we explore different skin types and the best ingredients for that glass skin glow. Let's go to Nisa's version. So the training is about at least 20 minutes each. We've sped it up here and there. And it is a very straightforward course and video training. So this is one of them. This is one professional video. This is Nisa's version. So basically it's a step-by-step demonstration of how she performs glass skin in her salon, and we've also written this out for you to print. And then there's my version. It's a clear step-by-step guide on focusing on how to achieve that glass look for that face. Okay, so these are modernized products. Both versions are easy to follow and jam-packed with practical tips. We keep things natural and informative, and I'm really excited to share this passion for skincare. Also, on another note, we've just released another 5th protocol for professional use, and it can be used at home as well. But we've actually found out we've actually got products that reverse aging and also give that dewy glass look. Even if you're not educated esthetician, cosmetologist, beauty therapist, you can be doing this at home. We've got at-home versions for you to actually take care of your skin and for you to have that dewy glass skin look forever, every week, every day, every month. Okay, guys, hope to see you in there. Bye.